para sa inyo dalawa. Last conference, hindi kayo nakapasok ng playoffs eh. Naging motivation ba yun sa inyo going to this conference na maging number 1 this time?
Yeah, actually number 1 is not our goal. Just to get into the final 4 and I mean top 4 to bring the twice advantage and the loss that we have and the last conference it's a motivation for us because it's a disappointing conference for us because in the last decade, so we've never been out of the playoffs. And I think that's one thing na nalagay sa mindset ng mga players na we cannot afford to have another loss. Not getting into the playoffs. So luckily, yung program namin is to get into the top 4 and sinuwerte kami and nagkaroon kami ng chance to get into the top seed at the end of the elimination, last game namin. And credit ko sa mga players because at the start of the conference, they work really hard, especially sa defense na sabi si Jay. So we have to be consistent on our defense. And it's very evident naman compared to the last season we have. So it's a different team in terms of defense. And last conference, so hindi kami nakakasama sa top 5, top 6, ganyan, on offense and defense. I think if you will take a look at the stats, ganyan, medyo kasama kami doon sa top 6 lagi in every department.
Yun nga, nasa top 6 kayo ngayon, pero it doesn't matter kasi lahat ng team ngayon sobrang nag-improve talaga. And last conference, yun nga, hindi sanay yung San Miguel na wala sa playoffs And lahat kami parang disappointed sa sarili namin, sa mga players, lalo-lalo na yung management sa amin. So, yun, ang ginawa namin ngayon is focus yun nga sa top 4 and dahan-dahanin namin yung